project milestone achieved, we are proud to announce the successful commissioning of a zinc oxide de-dusting system for a leading manufacturer in the zinc industry. Processing zinc at high temperatures demands precision-engineered air pollution control. This installation delivers performance, protection, and reliability on every front. High-temperature extraction, robust ducting designed to withstand extreme furnace thermal loads. Product recovery, capturing high-purity, white seal zinc dust and converting potential emissions into valuable yield. Environmental protection, reducing particulate matter emissions beyond global compliance standards. Workplace safety, cleaner shop floor air and reduced heat buildup for a healthier working environment. Smart airflow management, VFD-driven suction control for optimized efficiency and energy savings. Durability and reliability, heavy-duty construction with low-maintenance filter modules for continuous uptime. Seamless integration, a turnkey solution engineered to fit smoothly into existing production lines. By prioritizing air quality and engineering precision, our client is now positioned to scale production while maintaining a clean, compliant, and highly efficient operation, engineering the future responsibly.